What's up, guys? JP here, back with another unboxing. We got one more piece of equipment, and we're excited about it. It's a one of those Chinese mini lathes. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of open up this crate and see what it looks like inside. We have our tray, just gonna mount right here. Put our mini lathe up on the workbench and anchor it to the workbench. So far, so good. We did have the pallet get damaged, but I don't think the lathe itself got hit by anything. All right. So it's 8x16. I got it off of Amazon. Crewworks, something like that. It's just one of those Viver Chinese ones. They put their own name on. This one, however, does come with all metal gears instead of plastic. Got an 8-inch throw and a 16-inch bed. It's supposedly hyper polished. We're gonna have to clean this all up, but I think there's something on the back of it that says it's polished or something. It comes with this little toolkit, metal gears, oiler, because you want to keep everything oiled. You have your chuck key. You have 3 extra chuck teeths. These are for, the ones on the machine are for internal diameter. These are for external diameter. A couple little screwdrivers and stuff in the kit. Pretty cool. Got it out. So what we're gonna do now is it's just sitting on the bed. We're gonna take the lathe off and drill our holes. We're gonna mount it to this bench here, but we're not gonna go too far back because we wanna be able to get to the back just in case we need to change the fuse or pull this panel off. So we're gonna do that now. Got that one there. That one there. That there with a big fender washer, so it's got a good bite plus the plate. Okay, so we got it mounted up here. We got ourselves a quick change tool set. Got a bunch of tooling. This comes with a stationary live center. We went ahead and got a upgraded triple bearing live center, so it actually rolls here. We also got ourselves a drill chuck for our tailstock there. Carbide stuff. So this thing's now mounted. We're gonna be spending some time on dialing this thing in because I know these Chinese lathes aren't super precise. So, but there's ways to make them precise. So we'll be doing that little by little, probably in some videos as well. We can do a quick little run of powers on. 900, about 1100 RPMs. We're gonna also upgrade these bearings in here like everyone else does. But this does have an auto drive for doing threading of bolts. So we can actually lock down the auto drive. And it'll actually start to move. So pretty awesome feature. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. we're excited about some more equipment. And until next time, YouTube, talk to you later.